What's up, YouTube? Want to come to you do a quick little demo of this pop grid from Popsockets. I've been looking for something like this because I do like Popsockets, but what I always didn't like is once you stick it on the phone, it's stuck there. And if you want to move it, it kind of messes up the stickiness and you can't switch it from device to device. And I got a bunch of different devices sometimes where I wish I had a Popsocket, but I don't want it on there permanently all the time because sometimes I'll need it to lay flat. And if you got a Popsocket on your phone can't lay flat. So I wanted something a little more flexible. So once I saw they had this one out, I was like, this would be perfect. So basically, you stretch it and you can put it on your phone. So here's some instructions on the back of how it works. And I'm just going to basically try it out. The number one phone I got this for was to try with my Samsung Galaxy 20 Note 20 Ultra. That was one of the main phones I wanted to try with because this is a big phone, and sometimes when I'm holding it, I would like to have a grip on it, but I don't want it on there all the time. So let's try it on here. So from what I can see, I got this from Best Buy. They had black, they have regular black, and then they have this black with the carbon material, and then they have white. So as of right now, that's only 3 colors I saw at Best Buy, and I think that's about the only 3 colors on the website too, but don't quote me, on the actual Popsocket website. So it looks like if I just pull, that's all it is to it. So let's see here. I'm gonna just put it right there below power jack, pull over, and then this one is curved. Notice it says on here somewhere that it is works for curved phones. I think that was on the back somewhere where it does say it works for the curved type phones. Oh, and there it is. So it's on there. As you see, I have a case, so it's on there, and then you just pull this out like regular, and there we go, and there you go, and bam, you got a Popsocket on your phone, and you can just remove it whenever. So it's on there, feels great. Can still use it as a stand. Push back in, perfect. And then to pull it off, just have to grab the edges and pull, and it just snaps back into place. I got my iPhone mini here too. We can try it on here just to give you, so it's going to be a really tight fit for just barely have to do any pulling apart for your mini. But there it goes. You can see it's staying in place. Pull it out, stand in place. Oh, perfect. Got it. There's a stand. There you go. So that is the Popsocket. This is the Pop Grip Slide Stretch. Highly recommend this if you like the Popsocket brand, but you want flexibility where you can move it from phone to phone or take it off your phone if you like, and not have to worry about just having it all in one place. You know, you can slide this up and down. So I think this is great for people that need that. Retails for $14.99, and I think it's worth it if you like. Only if you like the pop sockets already. This is perfect if you need that flexibility. Till next time, later.